myself. I'm here to go ahead with my buddy, my big brother from another Pyro mother, to go ahead and do another safe and sane demo for you tonight. But before we do the demo, say hello to the one, the only.
Hello!
Sergeant Pyro! Sergeant Pyro, what do we got tonight?
Phoenix Rising from Magnus Fireworks.
Magnus Fireworks. And we're going to zoom in on there. And bye, everybody. Just let you know, Ziggy's here. Oh, my goodness, Ziggy. Ziggy's right here. Ziggy, thank you for shaking, Ziggy. This is Phoenix Rising, as Sergeant Pyro said, 500 grams. And ironically, we're in the Phoenix area, our ranch. So let's see what we got on all the artworks. So we'll flip her around. There we go. All right, Ziggy. This is where we pay you the minimum wage. All right. So we got the effects there, which look really cool. And we're going to zoom in here. Here we go. This says, look at the graceful rising phoenix. Gold showers. Colorful fishes, pine needle, and blue pearls, blue fountains and yellow purple stars, and finish with a white fan angle yellow chrysanthemum and colorful big tie flower. All right, Sergeant Pyro, we're coming back. We got the top there. I love the logo. Yeah, oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, the Phoenix Rising. Phoenix is beautiful. We love the valley. It was hot today. And it does get hot down here, but remember, it's a dry heat. So, Phoenix Rising, Sergeant Pyro, do you know where we can get this in Arizona?
Santan Fireworks.
Santan Fireworks. Santan Fireworks is the only place I know of in the state of Arizona where you can get Magnus Fireworks. SantanFireworks.com for over 60 locations throughout the state this season and every season. There are 2 locations in New Mexico. Why Santan Fireworks? Well, I'll tell you easily. Biggest selection, best quality, and the best prices you're going to find anywhere. Don't go shop at that tent. Turn around and come back to Santan Fireworks, and you'll get your Phoenix Rising from Magnus Fireworks. Sergeant Pyro, are you ready to head out to the street pad and light her up and get away?
Sir.
Let's go! To the street pad. Light her up, Sergeant Pyro. All right.
Do a good job, Ziggy.
There we go. They're still coming in.
Oh, close the gate tomorrow.
Whoa!